what we need to remember when we're working with quartiles is that the quartiles divide the data set up into quarters, and 25% is below Q1, 50% is below the median, 75% is below Q3, and then of course the min and max are where they are. So because the way they gave us this, I mean, there's only so many word lengths, and what they told us is that 3.6% of the words had one word, or sentences, are these sentences? Whatever they are, there's one of those. There's 14.8% of the time there's two of them. Okay, and so what we need to do is decide where are the cutoffs here. So we know the minimum is 1, and we know the maximum is 15. So that was easy. And then what I just started doing is, well, since I know Q1 cuts off the bottom 25%, I just started adding up these percentages until it came to having 25% fall in with it. You know, the 14.8 plus 3.6 isn't big enough. What's that, 17, 18 point something? So I had to go one more, as that way the 25% fell in that range. That's why I knew Q1 was 3. And then I did that adding, and then I added in another 16, and that made it so it was just over 50%. So it tells me I know that the median will fall in 4. So that means 50% of the data is less than 4. Actually, it works out if you do all the 4s, more than 50%. But case in point, that's where the median falls. And then we're going to do the same thing for 75. You know, I just kept adding up these percentages until I got a number that contained at least 75% of the data. And that's how you think about these things. I mean, it kind of helps if you think about the box plots. Whatever they are, whatever this looks like. I don't have a good scale, but the minimum would be 1, 3. I know I'm not drawing this to scale. 4, 7, and 15. But that tells me that 25% of the data fell between the minimum and the lower quartile. 50% is less than the median. 75% is less than the upper quartile, and of course 100% is there. Okay, hope that helps.